Are you in the fast lane to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is in the fast lane. This is actually not relatively new. It's a pretty new idiom in that it's only been around like during my lifetime. And yeah, I know I'm pretty old, but that's still new when it comes to in terms of idioms and words and where they came from. Well, life in the fast lane, that's what I always think of. The song by the Eagles, because I grew up hearing that, is one of the actually first recorded instances of it. It's from this idiom's from the 20th century. It originated in the 20th century, and it has to do with the fast lane or the express lane on highways and railroads. It probably was used before highways, right? But in terms of railroads, but it means you're on an expressway or you're going quickly, you're moving fast towards something that you want. With respect to highways and trains toward your destination, with respect to growing and supersizing our businesses with respect to our destination, if that is indeed your goal and objective, or one of them as part of why you created your business in the first place. This month, we're talking about contribution and how we show up in the world and what we're producing. And by building and growing and supersizing your business, you are automatically adding value to and making the world a better place. Hopefully that's your intent. It isn't everyone's intent. Some people's intent is just to see how much money they can make, and they don't care how it impacts the rest of the world or other businesses or other people or other things. Other people, and I think it's the vast majority of entrepreneurs, have an intent to make the world a better place, and that's why they started their business in the first place. They want to help other people solve problems or have products and services that make their life easier and better in some way, shape, or form. So think about this idiom today, in the fast lane. And I have found through my illustrious, very long career that some businesses, and almost all businesses, go through spurts and stalls, fast and slow, as they go through the growth process, right? There are stages where our systems and our processes, and we need to catch up with the growth that our company is making. And other times we've got our systems, we've got our processes in place, and we can grow really, really fast. And then we'll hit another level and another block where we need to find different systems, different skills, different areas that we need expertise and help with in order to help our business take that growth step to the next level. So I'd love to know your experience within the fast lane. I'm on a road trip right now, and so it's always interesting to watch people in different states and how they deal with the left lane or the express lane or the fast lane, right? If you have to pay for it, if you're on a tollway, or if you have to go pay to be in an express lane, the vast majority of people skip that and don't do that. But we found on our way down to Texas to watch the eclipse, if you pay the toll and get in the left lane, you go fast and you get by all the traffic. We had some fun experiences on the way down where we actually got way ahead in our trip because we thought it would take much, much longer to get to, we were going to Waco, Texas, to Magnolia. And we got there and we're like, okay, we had no traffic. We're here way early. And I think we got through in an hour and we're ready to leave. Went back to and decided to go to some different places. We're going to Round Top. It's a big, huge 20-mile outdoor experience in Texas. And we're going to that to check out some of the different businesses and how that works, because events are fun. I think we're going to be in the slow lane for most of that. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And I have actually picked tomorrow's idiom already, but I'm not telling you what it is. Have a great day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.